I wanted to show you guys a day in a life in our Airstream. That's Phoebe getting some sun. Here's the outside. I've got the awning out. Typically put the awning out because it shades the inside pretty well. If not, it's really hot, so I'll just take you in. So as soon as you come in, this is the bedroom. So I sleep on the right. So this side is Bob's side, and then he has his 2 guitars on his side, and this is his closet and lower closet. And so we have cubbies there, cubbies on each side. There's a TV over here on my side. And so here's my closet. I don't want to show Bob's closet because his is not this organized. But sorry with the camera. Anyway, I've got my stuff in cubbies. Oops. And then we have the lower cubby, which is storage. Down here, all my purses and hats and extra clothes, so that's all on my side. I put in one of these little, it's kind of dark in there, so I got one of these push lights at the Dollar Tree, and it helps a lot because there's no light. And then here is my side. It has a USB port, a couple of those for my books that I'm currently reading, and my Kindle. And then I just keep my water bottle spot, and then my salves and eye masks and things like that in that little cubby. And then Bob has his. He doesn't have anything hardly in his. But anyway. But as you can see, this is his corner. Got his guitar hung. And then this is my corner with my hats. And so I hang my broom. I use on a daily basis. So, and then this is a curtain that you can undo for privacy. So that's kind of nice. Late at night, if I want to stay up, watch shows or whatever, he's close the curtain and then have more privacy. So this is kind of the entry. He's got hooks, keys, magnet board, and then a nice row of hooks. Usually put my purse, Phoebe's basket, and then under here is a shoe cubby, which I love because I put my shoes there when I come in, but in the back is extra storage. So we have 2 cubbies back here with our extra shoes. So you can't kind of see them, but you can kind of see mine stacked there. And Bob's is on this side. So anyway, I really love this shoe cubby. We really like that a lot. And so then this is the main dining area. So this is kind of where I live most of the time. This is my basket, I have my laptop, all my stuff, office supplies, things like that I use. And there's the kitchen, our banana hammock.
So it wasn't long before.
And then our couch. I love having a couch, I really do. And then here is overhead locker storage, lots of storage. That's a DVD player, a radio, more storage. This is kind of more of my catch-all craft area. And this other locker here, coloring pencils, things like that. So I'm trying to work on organizing that best as possible. And then we have our fridge, which is a pretty nice fridge. We didn't have this in the first Airstream, so it's got a separate freezer. And look at all that storage. That's pretty amazing. You can cram all that much stuff in. More than enough room. And then here is kitchen area. And it does have a really nice large sink, and this will cover the sink. So when you're cooking, you have extra counter space. That's really nice. We have a convection microwave, so it'll do both grilling, oven, and microwave. And so here I have my cleaning supplies. I've got shelving back there so you can use all the vertical space. And so this is my cleaning bucket, and then under there more supplies. And then I, of course, hung my broom, sponges, cleaning. So, and Phoebe's stuff is down here, more cleaning supplies, but that's her food bowl, stuff like that. So, and then going back to the drawer. So this is underneath the microwave. So that's our silverware drawer. And then this is a pull-down storage, more beer. I know, we drink a lot of beer. And then cooktop, it's a 3-burner cooktop. Right now the candle's going, so it's underneath here. And I can turn these lights on for the stove, but I like to leave them off. But this is wonderful, and you can get an oven in this model or just a microwave. We chose just the convection microwave, and so it gives you a lot more storage space. So this is a utensils drawer. This is everything at hand whenever you need for cooking, cutting boards, things like that. Organized with these little bamboo things, which I love. And then this is my pots and pans. I've kind of reduced that to just the bare minimum. So a large pot, smaller pot, and then a couple of pans and covers and stuff. Of course, my Kamado. And then here is more of our dry veggie storage. Potatoes, onions go in here. So, and then here is upper cabinet storage. So cookbooks, cookies, or usually our coffee cups and wine cups go there. And then this one is tortilla warmer bowls, bigger bowls, and then in here is our pot holders. And what I like about these is that you can squish them and use every bit of space, so I really like that. And this is right above the sink. These risers came in really handy, Walmart special, and then these my little casserole dishes that fit in the microwave, and then our plates, paper plates, and then bigger mugs, so water bottles and such. So it goes in there. And then I got this neat little banana hammock. Bob loved his bananas, so I don't want counter space to be taken up, so we got that, and I really like it. And I love the keyhole windows, and there's windows on each side of the trailer. This is the couch side, service side, and then you have these big windows over here too. So, and then you have these skylight windows as well. And it also has a skylight, but we keep it closed because it's so bright in here that I like it better being closed. And then here's another fan that we keep closed just because it gets hot. Just the sun beaming in. And so pantry. So here's our pantry, and I usually like to keep a little flashlight so I can see. So I've got stuff in there, baskets, and then things in storage, my oils and rice and things like that. It's pretty deep, so that's really nice. Cooking stuff, and so more risers here. And so that's this pantry spot. And then here's my cooking spices. Keep all my spices here. Everything that I usually use. So that's really nice. I love that. Next drawer is going to be, bags and stuff. Next one is Bob's snack drawer. He loves to snack all day, so I keep these little snacks for him. Oh, he's got cookies in there too. And then this one is extra drawer space. Don't really even use it yet, so I'm sure we will eventually. And so across the way, next to the fridge, we have our closet, another closet, which Bob's stuff is on this side, mine hanging stuff is here. We actually have, it goes pretty deep, and we have out of seasons and space saver bags in the back. So still have, we could actually put another bag in there if we wanted to, but it works pretty well. So hanging everything is key, and using every inch of space is also key. And so this is Bob's drawer, undies, socks, and of course mine. And then here's auxiliary, I would say auxiliary toiletries. You know, your daily meds, you know, glasses, whatever. And these, again, these little soft things are wonderful, keeping everything, makeup, put away. And then this down here is a drawer for extra towels. And then here is Bob's office. You say hi? So here we have overhead locker there. Also, these cabinets, upper lockers, you can use a dry erase marker. So that's pretty awesome that we can put our appointments, things like that, reminders. And then here's kind of like the office cubby. Here is a little settee area for Phoebe or me if we're working on the computer together. And so we got another cubby here. It goes pretty far. It's got his game cube, stuff like that. And our little where we're going calendar, or where we've been actually, what states we've stopped in. And then there's another cubby way down here too. Again, we put those little push lights. It's really nice. And then his closet, this is more of an office closet. Auxiliary, you could put clothes in there, but we just use backpacks, just stuff, you know, our, what do you call that? The one that flies in the air, the drone, the drone's there. So we just keep, it's just storage. Oh, of course, your files, file drawer. And then this is his, where he is served lunch every day. So he's usually on calls all day long, so I'll bring his lunch, put it there, and he's eating while he's on a call. So that's really nice extra. It's really supposed to be for more, I guess, laptop space. This is more of his music equipment in here. It also has this neat little drawer down here. You can pull out more stuff. Tried to get it as organized as possible. And then this this whole thing will create a single bed. So this, let me pull this in. If you take off the cushion, you can pull this out. And then you can pull this one out. This comes, actually, this other one comes further out. And then you lay they kind of meet in the middle. And then you lay that cushion down, and it makes into a single bed, which is really nice. So this trailer will sleep, I believe, let's see, six people. So it's really, I thought that was very clever use of space. So this is Bob's area. This is where he basically lives all day. So, and this is really nice because it has a privacy curtain. And it also has soundproofing in the fabric, so you can get more privacy back here. So I really like that too, especially, you know, if I'm showering during the day or something, you know, that kind of stuff. And so we really love it. It's about a foot wider than the other one, the 23 FB. And then, but it's 7 feet longer, and so it just feels so much bigger having the couch separate from the dinette It's really nice. So I just really like it a lot. Wait, and then this is the bathroom. It's in the corner next to the office, and so it's very efficient. It's got the little overhead mirror there, a rounded sink. We hung our towels up here, and it also has a really nice big mirror here right on the door. I like. And then it's got a self-squeegeeing shower door, so you slide it open and then it just squeegees itself as you close, which is pretty cool. And then we added it's a teak mat on the floor, and that is it. It's got plenty of space for us. I think this seat pops up, so you don't really even need it if you don't want it. And so yeah, I really like it. I've put spice racks in here to help organize all the toiletries. So spice rack here, and then another spice rack back there for soaps and things like that, my hair products. So it goes pretty deep because it's like more like a triangle, like a pie triangle. But anyway, so crammed a lot of stuff in there, a lot more than the other one. I was so surprised, and just works. So anyway, I like it's got 2 keyhole windows here. It's got a vent, which we like, air conditioning. So, because the other one didn't have a vent, the other one didn't have air conditioning in the bathroom, so it would tend to get hot. So I really like it. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye.